If you're wondering where to find your email list in GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to locate your email list in GetResponse so you can get back to growing your business without wasting any time. First off, after you log into your GetResponse account, the first place to go is the dashboard. You should see a navigation bar on the left-hand side. Click on Contacts. This section is where GetResponse stores all of your email lists and contact information. Next thing you'll notice is that you might have several different email lists in your account, depending on how you've organized your contacts. If this is the case, you'll see them listed on the screen. You can click into each one to view the contacts, add new ones, or make changes to the list itself. You'll also see some basic information about each list, such as the number of contacts in it and the last time it was updated. This is crucial when managing multiple lists. The third thing to remember is that GetResponse allows you to segment your lists. This means you can create specific groups of contacts within your overall email list based on criteria like location, behavior, or purchase history. You can find these segments by clicking the Segments tab right above your contact lists. Now, once you're inside your list, you can do a lot more than just view it. You can manage it in several ways, like exporting contacts or adding new ones manually. Just click on the Add Contacts button and you'll be able to upload your list directly from a file or add them individually. Next, let's talk about tagging. Tags allow you to organize your contacts even further, so when you're managing your email list, you can track specific actions or interactions. You can easily add tags by selecting a contact or a group of contacts, then choosing Add Tag from the options. This makes it easier to target specific groups when you're sending emails or running campaigns. Now, GetResponse's interface is pretty user-friendly, but it does have its limits, especially when compared to other tools that offer more detailed analytics and customizable list management. Some users find that GetResponse lacks more advanced segmentation features, which can be frustrating if you have a highly targeted audience. You might also find their reporting a bit on the basic side, and while GetResponse does offer automation, some other platforms have more intuitive workflows and deeper integrations. The fourth thing to keep in mind is GetResponse's automation capabilities. It's powerful for sending automated emails to your list based on triggers, but it may not be as robust as tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, which have more complex automation workflows. So what's the better option for managing and growing your email list, especially for more advanced users? Well, as much as GetResponse has its benefits, it's not always the easiest when you need more control. If you're looking for a solution that's both user-friendly and offers advanced features like better automation, segmentation, and deeper analytics, I'd highly recommend checking out an alternative like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. They each offer free trials, so you can test them out and see what works best for you. Before you go, I should mention that this video also includes an exclusive offer if you're interested in trying GetResponse. We've got an extended free trial just for you through the link in the description below. But remember, I've included some amazing alternatives that might just be better suited for your goals when it comes to email list management and growth. Check out those links for your best deal and exclusive benefits.